subscribe to Han Tech Trends and don't forget to click the bell icon for my latest videos.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Ali and I welcome you all in Ali Tech Trends. And most of the people ask me about that we are facing the X input underscore 3.dll error. So I'm going to tell you some of the quick methods that how you fix it. And sometimes there are problems with that drivers that you're loading. Sometimes there will be your system requirements that your systems are not that much capable enough to handle this thing. And many people are asking me also that whether we'll try it on Windows 7 or any window. I just tried it on Windows 10, so I am pretty much sure about that it work on Windows 10. About any other Windows I am not sure about that. You can try it, and if it will happen, so you let me know about it. So first of all, the first thing that you require is the DirectX. So I'm just writing here DirectX on my computer, and it just come into search. So I'm just clicking on it, and you see the first one is the Windows Microsoft.com. So it's a very authentic website. You can use it to download the DirectX software. As you can see that this is a DirectX software. There is a instruction. These are the system requirements, then install instructions. Everything you can download it from here. You can just click on it and it just download. Then the second thing you can download to just resolve the error is Visual C++. I'm just going to write. You can see here I just click on it. So it's Microsoft Visual C++ and abbreviated to MSVC. You can just download it from the again Microsoft website. I'm just opening it and you get it from here. Just download. You just download. Click the download button and it just downloads. And if it's software error, just let me know. And if you like my video, just don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.